Alright, this is day 4 of our Colorado trip. We're on a hike. We're in some canyon right now. Gotta check this out. There's the river. Flows right through the canyon. Alright, we made it to bridge number 1. Check this out. Here. In case you have any confusion. There, bridge number 1. That's kind of cool. They were just hiking up the canyon, and there's a creek running down it. You can see, there we go. They got canyon on both sides. Can't really see it right now. We'll get a better picture of it. So we walked up this canyon right up there, starting there, going there. Walked all the way up there.
You just have to hit the street.
Big switchback. Man. Alright, we made it to the official hanging lake. There it is. Oh man. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, so the waterfall that we just showed was down there, but check this, this is what's above that. That is pretty cool, man. Are you serious? Man. There goes Daniel. Can you believe this? That's a lot of water. We're behind it. Alright, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh dear. Excuse me. Is that better or worse? Man. Are you serious? Now we gotta try to not break our necks going down this. Oh man. Alright. Wish me luck. Alright, we made it down the mountain. Yeah! It was a great hike. Beautiful up there. The water was so clear.
And cold.
And cold, yeah. Just amazing. Beautiful country. Pretty amazing. And this is actually the same water from the lake. Coming all the way down. That's what you hike. You really just hike down the creek and make it down here. So that was fun. You know, they have all these stacks of books here. And, you know, in my spare time on this vacation, I've been really picking up on this one. And it is all about stone cutting. This is deep, my friends. Very, very deep. You know, they have like, these maps and stuff back here. Whatever that is. And yeah. So it's been very fun reading this book. Along with the 4 pillars of retirement plans. Yeah, these 2 books have really inspired me lately. Also, we got this giant, I think this is what we should put banana splits in. Can you imagine